Now I will show the valid person authentication for ATM. So just run the code. So tap the RFID. So seeing present. Now it will open for camera frame. This is authorized person. So now it will open the ATM Security System. So enter the amount 5,000. So deposit. Amount is deposited 6,000 rupees because earlier 1,000 rupees added now. So go back. Say withdrawal. So 4,000 rupees withdrawal. Say withdrawal. So amount successful. Withdrawal successful 2,000 rupees. Say go back. So this is a process for valid authentication for ATM system. Now I will show invalid authentication. Tap the RFID card for invalid authentication for ATM. It will open the frames. Unknown person is gone to the ATM. It will check for 5 to 10 seconds. So it's sending message. See. So OTP will send to this that number what we gave. That OTP we have to provide here. So OTP we got in message. One second. OTP is 6674. If you put wrong OTP, it will not come. See, this I have entered wrong OTP. It will say as a invalid OTP entry. So enter valid OTP is 6674. So if somebody gone to ATM with some other ATM card, they can also withdraw and deposit the amount. Enter the withdrawal deposit. So deposited and go back. Withdrawal. This is the process for invalid authentication. This is the process for doing ATM transaction with valid and invalid authentications. So this is the model we developed here. So this is a Raspberry Pi. This is a RFID RC522. This is a Pi camera. So this we are connected through LAN or Wi-Fi. Anything you can use. Now we are used LAN connectivity. To your system you connect LAN cable and give 5 volt supply to the Raspberry Pi. So we provided Raspberry Pi supply through laptop, or you can give adapter. So you can give the power supply and it will boot up your power supply and whatever OS you are installed in this. Thank you so much for watching this demonstration. Thank you.